Well, spring is here and it's a beautiful day, so jump in the car and get away. Oh, the sun is shining, the sky is blue, wheels are turning, there's so much to do. Whoa, so much to do.
Oh, road trips are fun when the sun is hot, but broken air conditioning is not. With no cold air, the heat keeps increasing until you can't take it and you end up crying and screaming. You roll down your window to let in the breeze, but too bad you also let in mosquitoes and bees. So you stick your head out the window, panting like a beagle, but the cops pull you over 'cause that's actually illegal. Whoa, get your AC checked because you don't wanna drive in a car that feels like a sauna. Keep your car happy and you'll be happy too.